Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue our number series. Stick with me. By the end, you'll definitely be able to say any number in Chinese with ease. Today, we're going to learn how to read all the numbers from 1,000 to 9,999 in Chinese. Before we get started, let's learn one important character, qian. The character qian represents the unit thousand. It's the key building block for all four-digit numbers. For example, 1,000 is 1,000. 2,000 is 2,000. 3,000 is 3,000. And yes, 4,000 is 4,000. Exactly. When you put any digit from 1 to 9 in front of qian, it tells you the thousands place. For example, 8,000 means 8,000. Do you remember how to read three-digit numbers? It's super easy. You say the hundreds part first, then the tens part, and finally the ones part. For example, 148 is read as 148. So, how do we read 1,148? You're probably already figuring it out. Yes, we just add the thousands part at the beginning. So, 1148 is 1,148. Do you get it? Let's practice reading some four digital numbers in Chinese. 2,540 is 2,540. 4,628 is 4,628. 9,999 is 9,999. Congratulations! You know the character, qian. And you can read all the numbers from 1,000 to 9,999 in Chinese now. Now, let's practice reading it. 千 qian, qian. The character qian is a single component made of three strokes, a left falling stroke, a horizontal stroke, and a vertical stroke. When we write the character qian, we follow the rule of writing from top to bottom. First, draw a left falling stroke at the top of the grid. Next, write a horizontal stroke under the left falling stroke. Finally, draw the vertical line starting from the middle of the left falling stroke on the top, let it go straight down through the horizontal stroke to the bottom of the grid. Perfect! You write a beautiful character. Besides being used as the number 1,000, the character qian can also form larger unit words when combined with other numerical units. For example, ke is the unit for gram, so 千克 means kilogram. 5 kilograms, we say 5,000克. Mi is the unit for meter, so 千米 means kilometer. 3 kilometers, we say 3,000米. Got it? A swing is probably one of the sweetest memories from many people's childhood. Under the sunlight, in the shade of trees, children love sitting on a swing, gently going back and forth. This simple yet joyful little game is called qiuqian in Chinese. The character qian also appears in the food name qiancengbing, literally thousand-layer pancake. Of course, it doesn't actually have 1,000 layers. Here, qian simply describes something with many thin layers stacked together. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, this traditional pastry is loved as a breakfast or snack called qiancengbing. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.